Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. This is just a quick video to show you the pip nail with a little bit of colour blocking. So I have used the bright colours this time from HD Pro, and you can see the pips come down the centre of the nail and their edge with a nude. So I come in with the bright pink, and we're just creating that line down the centre of the nail. It doesn't have to be perfect, we're just outlining where these pips are going to go. So I've gone in with the pink, and then I've blended the orange up the pink and back down the nail. Same with the yellow, place it at the bottom of the orange blend up the orange and back down the tip to the tip of the nail. Once that's done, I'm going to put a tacky gel coat on it. It's called Give Me Strength from Magpie, and I just want something on there to hold these pips in place. So I'm putting that on. I haven't set it, I've just wiped that over so these pips stay as I'm placing them. So I'm going to start with my centre line and then put the two either side. So I was working on a three wide coming down the nail. So I'm going to start with the middle one slightly over the nail, just then you're not missing a gap on either side at the top, and then I'm going to come down and place them staggered, so we cover the pink that we've put on with the pink pips, and then we pick up the orange pips and we do exactly the same coming down. So I'm going to start in the centre and then stagger the side ones around it. Now this little tool is like a little rubber pointy thing. I got it in my kit at Nail Safari and I did wonder what I was going to use it for, and today I found out. I also saw somebody using it with Pastaline, the 3D product. So they were pushing it, rather than using a brush, they used that to push it into place. So maybe when I give that a go. So we've done the orange there. I'm going to place a couple more, I think. Yeah. And then we're going to come into the yellow. So we just want to keep them as straight as possible. And then we're going to place the yellow and do exactly the same there. You'll get one at the bottom that overhangs again, which is fine because that will file off. Just keeps there from being any gaps on the nail. The one that overhangs. So you're going to set that in the lamp now for 60 seconds to harden up that gel, and then you're going to come in with your clear acrylic. This is crystal clear from HD Pro. I'm using the Pro acrylic brush, Salon Pro acrylic brush. There's a tiny bit of hard acrylic there, you can see it on the top of the nail, but I can file that off afterwards. So I'm just coming in and I'm going to cap all the way down what we've done, keeping it the same depth the whole way down the nail. And then once that is set up, you have to wait for that to set. Not set, sorry. You have to wait for it to go matte. Once it's gone matte, then you come in with your craft. I use a craft knife personally, and I rock that down the side wall. That's just to give me a nice straight line. Now, because I was working on tips and it's really hot today, my cabin was a bit of a funny temperature, and so it was a bit picky. It wasn't as straightforward. One minute it was setting up super quick and the next not so much on these nails. So it's probably not as smooth as it would have been, but it still works, so that's fine. So I've now got two straight side walls. I am now going to file those side walls, so you keep the file super straight up against those walls and file. I didn't show that because I was out of camera with it being on a tip. And then you're going to get your nude acrylic and you're just going to fill in those side gaps with your nude acrylic. Make sure you come over the design slightly so you've got something to file against. So once that's done, I have filed it again, not on camera because it's on a tip and that's really awkward. But I filed it down, shaped up the nail, and now I'm just top coating using HD Pro Shine It. Now this is the finished nail. I hope you like that, guys. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thank you.